Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to display your internet speed right on the taskbar in Windows 10. So this can be incredibly useful for monitoring your internet performance at a glance. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to download and install the third-party app called Traffic Monitor. This app is free and easy to use, and it does a great job for displaying your internet speed on the taskbar. So for that, first we need to open Google Chrome, and here you have to type Traffic Monitor and press on enter. And whatever the result you will get, you just need to click on the GitHub site. Just click on this. Once the GitHub site will open, so under Traffic Monitor Introduction, you need to scroll down a little bit, and under Related Links, here you will find the download link of the latest version of Traffic Monitor. So this is the latest version for the same. Now you need to download the zip file as per your system configuration. This is a very small 1 MB file. Just click on this. This will start downloading the file. Open the folder location, and now just right click on this and click on extract all. Now you need to select the folder where you want to extract the files. Okay, so select the folder and the file will be extracting. Now you need to just close this, and now I just need to open the folder, and here you will get Traffic Monitor folder. Just click on this. Once this is open, you will find one application file called Traffic Monitor. Okay, so just right click on this and click on Run as Administrator. So after that, this type of bar will display. Here you will get download upload speed. But we need to display it in the taskbar. So right click on it and click show taskbar window. Now we need to once again right click on it and uncheck show main window. So the main window will be disappear. And now you will find the upload download speed display in the right side of the taskbar. Okay, see, it will display in the right side of the taskbar. So this is how you can display your internet speed on the taskbar in Windows 10. So now you can easily keep an eye of your internet speed right from your Windows 10 taskbar. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.